All right, so it's early December, which means we're getting closer and closer to the winter season, and we get a preview of some snow tonight, it looks like, unfortunately.
Yeah,
unless you like the snow.
Right. I mean, some people are excited for it. They can't wait for that to get here, but it is going to come overnight as we head into tomorrow morning in spots, you know, especially to the north and the higher elevations, places that see those colder temperatures where it will be cold enough to see a mix or even some snow shower activity and even some light accumulations in spots as well. So it is getting here. Again, we're getting closer to that winter season. Of course, temperatures will be getting a bit colder as well. Highs and lows today, though, we're very seasonable. Mid and upper 40s is where we got to. Mid 40s, that's the average for this time of year. So pretty much right where we should be. And generally, as we head through the first part of this upcoming week, we're going to be seasonable as well. Monday, a pretty average day. Highs reach the mid and upper 40s again. So not too far off. Nothing extreme there in terms of temperatures. As we head towards the end of the week, we will see some colder conditions. But as we get into Monday, aside from being seasonable, the morning is still going to be a little bit messy in terms of seeing that precipitation. Some mixing, some snow shower activity that could be enough to cause some slick spots on roadways. So just keep that in mind if you're heading out early tomorrow morning. You may want to leave a little bit of extra time for that morning commute just to, you know, take things a little bit slower or just be cautious in case there are some slick spots where you're headed. Current conditions do have us sitting in the 40s and the 30s, 41 degrees in Allentown right now, 40 back in Reading and Lancaster, 39 in Pottstown, but already 31 Mount Pocono. So some spots as we head overnight and temperatures continue to drop off, we'll see that mixing or some snow shower activity. And temperature is going to play a big part here in terms of who sees rain, a mix, or snow, and also precipitation rate too. How fast it's coming down is going to make an impact on what we actually see as well. Satellite and radar right now still quiet across the viewing area. Now some stuff is showing up here on the radar, but it's not actually reaching the ground just yet. The precipitation is not expected to actually reach us until later on, probably close to midnight or so. Some of the western parts of our viewing area start to see some of it coming down. A lot of the main precipitation still back off to our west near Pittsburgh and the western part of the state. As that continues to push its way in, we will see that arrive a little bit later on tonight as we get into the early hours heading into Monday. So future satellite and radar timing things out for us. Here it comes as we head overnight. Here's about 3:30 in the morning. You can see we're dealing with a mix, some snow activity, some rainfall. Of course, places further to the south, more likely to see that rain. Those higher elevations, places further to the north, you're more likely to see some snow shower activity. And again, some light accumulation is possible, mainly north of the Lehigh Tunnel. You could see 1 or 2 inches from this, and especially, you know, a coating, even some whitening of your lawn or the cars on grassy surfaces, non-treated surfaces. It can stick, especially if it comes down heavier at times. As it comes down heavier, it allows for that colder air to mix in too. So that's when you see the best potential for the snow and the best potential for it to stick a little bit too. And as we head through Monday, again, still some shower activity lingering early, so just be cautious heading out the door for your morning commute. Otherwise, it clears out pretty quickly. And as we head into Monday afternoon, we could actually see a little bit of sunshine working its way on out. But our next system does approach as we get into Tuesday. So it is going to be a bit unsettled here as we head right through this upcoming week. But overnight, lows are dropping down into the low 30s. We're cloudy with some light rain and snow showers late as we head overnight into Monday morning. Again, 1 or 2 inches certainly possible, especially as you head further north and in those higher elevations. That's really where the primary concern is, to see some of that. Now, as we head through the day Monday, again, a morning rain or snow shower early, considerable cloudiness with some sun poking out through the afternoon. Temperatures will be seasonable and will stay seasonable through the first half of the week, unsettled. But as we head towards the end of the week, colder air settles in. Highs only reach the 30s. Jamie, back to you.